Transfer Factor Plus is truly the ultimate immune system product. It promotes our immune system's natural defense against disease by providing the intelligence for recognition of disease-causing germs. It stimulates cells that are documented by research as being important in removing abnormal cells which can develop into malignancies. It has the ability to stimulate an underachieving immune system and to tone down an immune system which is overactive and can cause autoimmune diseases and allergies. This is why we call Transfer Factor Plus the gift for life, and it's now available. So please contact the person who gave you this video and learn about how you can get involved with the company that has made Transfer Factor Plus available. It truly could be and will be the most important and rewarding decision you'll ever make. Thanks.
In the winter 1999 edition of the Journal of the American Nutraceutical Association, a landmark study was published, which was the compilation of test results on 196 products involving over 400 ingredients. This study took over 7 years and thousands of hours to complete. The study was designed to determine which nutraceutical products had positive influences on our body's immune system's ability to protect us, and to establish if any toxicity or harmful effects resulted from the use of any of these products. The first test was to determine which products had the ability to increase the function of natural killer cells. Natural killer cells are those immune system cells which are lethal lymphocytes. They target tumor cells and protect against a wide variety of infectious microbes. The test involved taking natural killer cells from donors and mixing them with live cancer cells called K562 cells to determine the killing ability of natural killer cells on those live cancer cells, and then to add the nutritional supplement to the natural killer cells live cancer cell mixture, and to determine the increase in killing ability that the nutritional supplement was able to contribute. Of the 196 products tested, 46 had positive influence on natural killer function, and these 46 ranged from a 10% increase in natural killer function to 48.6%. Transfer Factor Plus wasn't available at the time of the publication of this study because it wasn't introduced until the summer of 1999. Using the same exact procedures by the same lab used in the testing of the 196 products, the following results were obtained. Transfer Factor Plus increased natural killer cell function by 248%, over 5 times greater than any product ever tested. This prompted a letter from the director of the laboratory which stated, Transfer Factor Plus induced immune-based lysis of K562 cells at a level unprecedented in the director's experience or in the known medical literature. Since NK function is so crucial in killing cancer cells, these products are ideal candidates for cancer adjuvant therapy. In addition, NK cells form a first line of defense against infections from viruses and certain other microorganisms. Killing assays against K562 cells have also been correlated with increased activity against chronic and acute infections as well. Transfer Factor Plus was tested for antiviral effect and achieved a level of antiviral activity which was characterized by the laboratory director as having significant major antiviral activity. Of the 196 products tested, only 32 products had any antiviral activity at all. In regard to toxicity or potentially harmful effects from any of the 196 products tested, 97 or 49.9% of the products tested were toxic, meaning simply that their safety and dosages recommended by the manufacturer couldn't be established. Transfer Factor Plus in concentrations hundreds of times greater than a recommended dosage produced absolutely no toxic effect.
The research division of 4Life has now introduced 2 new patented transfer factor products in their ever-present quest to provide the most effective immune system products available anywhere in the world. As you will see in a moment, these products represent an amazing improvement on the already remarkable power of original transfer factor. First,
4Life obtained a patent on the extraction of transfer factors from egg yolks, which is another viable source of these immune system molecules. Transfer factor advanced consists of a blend of both bovine and chicken egg source transfer factors. Transfer factor plus advanced has replaced the TF plus product and also contains both bovine and chicken egg transfer factors. In addition, it retains many of the immune system ingredients found in the TF plus and adds even more immune system enhancing ingredients that have been validated by current research. These two new additions to the product line further validate 4Life Research as the preeminent immune system supplement company in the world. So what do we know about the ability of TF Advanced and TF Plus Advanced to support the immune system? 4Life Research commissioned a new study by scientists at the Russian Academy of Medical Science to document the ability of these products to enhance the immune system using the natural killer cell assay test. As you can see from the chart, these new formulations surpassed the already remarkable results attained by the first NK cell assay. The synergistic effect of the combination of the egg yolk transfer factors and new ingredients resulted in the following. 4Life Transfer Factor Advanced Formula boosted NK cell activity by 283%, and 4Life Transfer Factor Plus Advanced Formula propelled NK cell activity to a remarkable 437% above the normal immune response. Finally, studies also showed that 4Life Transfer Factor Classic increased NK cell activity by 204% when tested at a 48-hour activation time. What does a 437% increase in NK cell activation actually mean? Well, it means that NK cells activated with 4Life Transfer Factor Plus Advanced Formula killed 97% of cancerous cells in the lab study. By comparison, NK cells that were not exposed to any supplement were able to destroy only 3% of the cancerous cells used in this test. The results of this study were so impressive that the Russian Ministry of Health is now recommending that Transfer Factor Plus Advanced Formula be used as a frontline interventional product in both their clinics and in their hospitals.
We invite you once again to get back to the person who gave you this video and learn how you can help us tell the Transfer Factor Plus story.